Randfontein, dis Maritse van Randfontein Herald. Ons het vandag bietjie iets anders kom doen. Ons het vir Jesse Boston kom kuier. Hy is 'n country sanger en ja, hy gaan vir ons bietjie iets speel en dan laat ons weet wat julle daarvan dink.
Well, again, I can begin, but then I know it's growing strong. Was it in spring? While spring became the summer, would believe that you come along. Touching hands, reaching out, touch on me, touch on you, sweet Caroline. Good times never seem so good.